This page shows all the available rooms and the rooms that are booked in the hotel. Click on to group check-in. Enter the card number of the guest. Under room number, select the rooms that the guests require one by one and also enter the number of guests per room under the packs column. After entering all the required rooms, under guest info, enter the details of the guest. If they are previous guests, all their details will automatically fills up once we enter the mobile number. After entering the details, click on to save option. Group check-in has been saved successfully. You can either view or print the GRC acceptance tariff. All the requested rooms have been booked and marked as occupied. For the checkout process, select one of the occupied rooms and click checkout. Now enter the room number of the guest. Once you enter the room number, the bill amount for that room automatically shows up on the page. After entering all the room numbers, enter the total amount in the mode of payment. Click on to the save option. Enter yes for checking out the room. The checkout has been saved successfully. You can either print or view the bill. The group check-in and check-out has been done successfully. Thank you.